Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the area and perimeter of a scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? A triangle is called scalene if the length of all the three sides are different. That is, consider this scalene triangle and suppose you are notating these sides as A, B and C. It is called a scalene triangle because the length A is not equal to B is not equal to C, which means all these three sides will have different lengths. What about the angles of a scalene triangle? Obviously, all the three angles will be different in a scalene triangle. So that is what is about the scalene triangle. Now in this video we will see what is the perimeter and area of a scalene triangle. Let us notate the perimeter as P. Then what is the perimeter of this scalene triangle? The formula for finding the perimeter is A plus B plus C, where this A, B, C are the three sides of a scalene triangle. So the perimeter will be the sum of all these three sides for a scalene triangle. Now let us give some numbers for the sides A, B, C and we'll see how to use this formula. Suppose consider this side is having a length of 11, this side is having a length of 10 and this is having a length of 9. Now how to calculate the perimeter? Then the perimeter will be equal to the sum of all these three lengths, that is 11 plus 10 plus 9, which is equal to 30. Suppose if you are given here say 11 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches as the unit, then it's going to be 30 inches. That's about the perimeter for a scalene triangle. Now we will see how to find the area of a scalene triangle. Since the three measures are completely different, we need a specific formula to find the area of a scalene triangle. The formula for finding the area is called Heron's formula. There is a formula called Heron's formula which is used to find the area of a scalene triangle. Now I will first tell you what is the formula and then we will substitute the values. The formula for finding the scalene triangle, that is Heron's formula, is root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now I will explain you what all these means. This S is called the semi-perimeter. This S is called semi-perimeter. And how to find the semi-perimeter? You already know the perimeter P is 30. So the semi-perimeter is going to be that perimeter divided by 2. So in this case it is going to be simply 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. Okay, which is going to be equal to 15. So here the semi-perimeter is P by 2, that is just half of the perimeter what we found. Okay, and here this A, B, C, they are the three sides of an scalene triangle, that is these measures 9, 10 and 11. That is A, B, C refers to the sides of the scalene triangle, and after calculating, and S times S minus A means S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B multiplied with S minus C, and then you have to find its square root. That is how you have to find the area of the scalene triangle. Now let us apply this formula for this measure and see how to do that. Now I have written the formula over here. We will see how to calculate it. You know, the perimeter, as I told you, S is the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter means you have to, semi-perimeter means this perimeter divided by 2, which means that is equal to 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. So what is the value of S? It is going to be 15. So we will substitute the values. Okay, semi-perimeter is 30 by 2. Okay, so let us substitute the values. It is going to be a root of 15 times. If nothing is given, it's just a parenthesis, which means it is times. 5 times. Now what is S? You know, S is 15. That is 30 by 2, right? So 15 minus, what are all the measures? 11 times 15 minus 10 times 15 minus 9. Simply, it is S times S minus A, S minus B times S minus C. So, 15 multiplied with 15 minus the first length, 15 minus the second length, 15 minus the third length. Now, we will do this, further do this. So, it's going to be root of 15 times, what is 15 minus 11? It's going to be 4 times 15 minus 10. It's going to be 5 times, if nothing is given, this means it is a multiplication. 5 times 6. So, 15 times, I am simply subtracting this. 4 times 5 times 15 minus 9, 6. Now, again we have to find the square root of this. Don't try to multiply all these together. Instead of that, try to break it into prime factors, which means what? Root of, 15 can be written as 5 times 3. Prime factorization, right? Here 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. If you break it like that, it will be easy for you to do the square root. If you are not sure how to do this, I have already uploaded a video about prime factorization and also square root, and I have provided link in the below description. You can check it out. So further here, to continue here, it is 5 times 3 times, for 4 you can write as 2 times 2. So both 2 and 2, they are prime numbers. Times 5 is already, it's a prime number, so we don't have to break it. What about 6? 6 can be broken down as 3 times 2. You can see both 3 and 2 are prime numbers. Now how to further proceed with this? This is, okay, before putting the root, we can see first, let us pair the numbers. That is, if you see 5, you have 2 5s here. So according to square root concept, when there are two same numbers inside the square root box, one can go out of the box, which means if there are 2 5s inside the square root, 1 5 can come out. Times, now let us see like that how many pairs are there. Here 1 3 is there, one more 3 is there. So if there are 2 same numbers inside the square root, one will come out and you need to multiply it. 5 times 3. Now let us see 2. Yeah, 3 2s are there, but you have to consider only 2 2s because it should become a pair. It should be a pair. You should not consider all the 3 2s. So we can take only 1 2 out. What is balance? These are all over only 1 2. So 1 2, it will stay within the root because it doesn't have a pair to come out. Now it will be 5 times 3 times 2. So what is this equal to? This is 30 root 2. This is equal to simply 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 3, 30 root 2. So that is, again, if you have inches, then it is going to be 30 root 2 inch square or square inches. 30 root 2 inch square, or you can call it as square inches. So this is what is called the Heron's formula. That is how you have to calculate the area of a scalene triangle. Hope you have understood about the area and perimeter of the scalene triangle in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.